A12, super fast. Actually, an A12 GTS. Then we got the Aventador SVJ. This thing is a beast. This is one of my favorite cars in the whole entire world. Wow. This one looks like it has exhaust tip special rift. And we got another SVJ right next to it. This one's a red. That nice paint. All carbon. And then you got your big Lamborghini. This thing is nice. Wow. We got another SVJ. That looks a lot like the other one that we just saw. Oh, this one, the red interior, that looks awesome. All red. We got more in this SV too, that SV logo. It's like glowing. It's got matte carbon. Which one do you guys like better, the SVJ or the SV? Or one of those SVJs?